guys. Yeah, a quick unboxing of a fuse box that I picked up on Amazon for a project, and I figured I'd do a quick unboxing so you could see it and see how it's packed and what it comes with. Link is in the description. It comes with a pack of fuses, some mounting screws. So I don't know what that is. Paper, maybe double tape, sticky tape. Now how this works is when the fuse is burnt out, the LED will come on to show you which one has gone bad. This is your positive and this is your ground strap here. I'll leave a link in the description for the exact thing. Oh, this here, from what I remember on the listing, these are stickers. Yeah, so you can pretty much sticker whatever you're putting in here. You can put them on these little windows here. Cool. Later.